Okay, this is going to be a really quick video with no editing and complete with traffic and family noise in the background. Okay, creating a quiz in the Moodle 1.9, which is what we're using for the Carrot for TTA courses. The common mistake is for people to go straight to add a quiz, and that's not what to do. Your best option is to create questions first and then link them to a quiz. So let's assume you just want to create multiple choice questions. So click on the question in administration, and you can create categories and so on, but that's not what we're going to need to do in our case. Let's just say you wanted to create 3 or 4 quizzes. Create a new question and choose the question type. Multiple choice is what we choose. Question name. Now this is important. Well, it's not a big deal if we're only creating a few questions, but the idea with the question name is that you just name it in a succinct way so as you can read that question name and know what the question is without having to click on it. I'm just going to, this is going to be a spelling test on how to spell the word to. In fact, I'll do that sort of too. And then the question text is this one: how do you spell to? Okay. And default question grade, leave it at 1. Don't worry about the penalty factor. I mean, they're going to get a score, but that just subtracts some points if people get any incorrect answers, but we're not going to be too worried about that. General feedback, you know, put whatever you like in there. Well done, whatever. Now, this is important though. One or multiple answers. So in this question, I'm going to have one answer only, but I can have multiple answers. It gets a little bit more complicated. It's pretty easy to follow. Shuffle choices doesn't really matter, but might as well leave it ticked. Answer choice 1 is that, and grade none. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's have the correct answer first, and that's going to be worth 100%. Because if they click TWA, they get 100%, and everything else gets them nothing. So TO, TOO, TOU, and that'll do me. All right. Now you can do some feedback here. Great, if you want to just have a bit of fun. Dole for that one. What are you thinking? Etc., etc. Or you can leave those blank. All right, I'm not going to have any more solutions than that, or sorry, answer choices than that. That's going to be fine. So then we can, you don't worry about the feedback. You can do overall feedback, and for any partially correct response, you can save yourself a bit of time by doing that. But I don't think you're going to worry too much about feedback. And then just save changes. So let's assume now that we've created a number of questions. There's the question there. If I want to edit that question, so that's the question name. If I want to edit it, I just click on the edit button, and I'm back into the original onto the screen I just showed you. So you can go and edit there. If you want to preview the question, you can click on the magnifying glass. Choose one answer for 2. I think that's it. Submit, and look at that. It's correct. All right, I can start again if I want, or just kill that page. Now, we want to create a quiz. Let's say you've got your 4 questions, 5 questions, or whatever, and we want to create a topic 1 quiz. This is where we go add an activity and choose quiz. The name is going to be topic to quiz. All right. I don't know. Some instructions that you'll want to put in there. I think for this we can just pretty much leave all of the settings on default. Don't worry about all that stuff, and then just save and return to the course. So we've created some questions, or 1 question, and we've created a quiz, and now we need to link some questions to that quiz. And all you do to do that is click on the quiz, and then it will say, it won't say anything. You just need to select, where is our question? Here it is, 2, all right? So this is why when you put your question name, you want to keep it succinct, because you want to be able to read that title and know what the question is. I want to click that question. Let's say I've just clicked 4 or 5 questions and then add to the quiz. You only get one chance to do this, I think, and once it's done, it's done. I don't think you can re-add questions. No, I don't think you need to. Oh, save changes. Well, I don't know if there was any changes. There you go. Just let's go back to the course and see what it looks like now. So next time I click on the Topic 2 quiz, it should, yeah, it's preview the quiz now, and if I was a student, it would just guide me through the quiz. And that's obviously the instructions, hi, have a crack at the quiz, whatever you want to put in there. That is it. So in summary, you create your questions first, which is that button. Do that, follow the prompts, and then create your quiz. And then first time you click the quiz, you can link questions to the quiz. That's it.